Welcome to the Northwest Territories, a vast and beautiful region in northern Canada. Here, nature reigns supreme, from towering mountains and pristine lakes to sprawling forests and icy tundra. This is a land where the midnight sun paints the sky in summer, and the northern lights dance in vibrant hues during winter. Known for its stunning natural landscapes and rich cultural heritage, this is one of Canada's 3 northern territories. It's a place where adventure awaits around every corner. Whether you're seeking to explore the wild beauty of its national parks, paddle its pristine waterways, or immerse yourself in the traditions of its Indigenous peoples. Join us now as we venture into the heart of the Northwest Territories, a land of breathtaking beauty and untamed wilderness. Our first stop takes us deep into Nahanni National Park Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, the mighty Nahanni River carves its way through the Mackenzie Mountains, creating canyons so deep and dramatic they take your breath away. These geological wonders have been shaped over millennia, and it's here, amidst this rugged landscape, that we find the spectacular Virginia Falls. Plunging more than twice the height of Niagara Falls, it's a testament to the raw power of nature. The thunderous roar of the water is a symphony of the wild, but the Northwest Territories' wilderness extends far beyond Nahanni. This vast region is a mosaic of untouched landscapes. To the south lies Wood Buffalo National Park, a vast expanse of boreal forest, wetlands and grasslands. It's a place where nature reigns supreme. This is the largest national park in Canada, even larger than Switzerland, covering an area of over 44,000 square kilometers, and it provides a vital sanctuary for a remarkable array of wildlife. From the elusive lynx to the majestic moose, Wood Buffalo National Park is home to the world's largest herd of wood bison, a species that has roamed these lands for centuries, a magnificent creature that once teetered on the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts have brought them back from the edge. Their thunderous hooves are a reminder of the wild spirit that still thrives in this remote corner of the world. The sight of these powerful animals running free is a testament to the resilience of nature. Beyond the park boundaries, the wilderness continues, stretching out in an unbroken expanse of natural beauty and rugged terrain. The Northwest Territories encompass a remarkable diversity of ecosystems, each with its own unique characteristics and inhabitants. From the dense boreal forests of the south teeming with life to the treeless tundra of the far north, where the horizon seems to stretch on forever. The boreal forest, a vast swathe of spruce, pine and fir trees, stretches across the territory like a green carpet, providing a vital habitat for countless species. It's a place of quiet beauty, where sunlight filters through the canopy, dappling the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shade, creating a serene and magical atmosphere. Here, amidst the trees, live creatures uniquely adapted to this environment, each playing a crucial role in the forest's delicate balance. Moose, with their impressive antlers, browse on the tender shoots of willow and birch, their presence a testament to the forest's bounty. Caribou, their hooves clicking against the frozen ground, migrate across these forests in vast herds, following ancient pathways etched into the landscape by generations past. And in the undergrowth, the elusive lynx stalks its prey, its keen eyesight and silent movements making it a formidable hunter, perfectly adapted to its environment. Further north, the trees begin to thin, giving way to the vast expanse of the Arctic tundra, a land of stark beauty and extreme conditions. Here, the land is a tapestry of lichens, mosses and dwarf shrubs, painted in hues of green, brown and gold, a testament to the resilience of life in such a harsh environment. Dominating the landscape of the Northwest Territories is Great Slave Lake, one of the largest freshwater lakes in North America. Spanning over 27,000 square kilometers, it is a natural wonder that has fascinated explorers and locals alike for centuries. Its sheer size is awe-inspiring, its waters stretching as far as the eye can see. The lake's vastness is matched only by its depth, plunging to over 600 meters in some areas. The lake's depths hold secrets of a bygone era, with evidence of indigenous settlements dating back thousands of years. These ancient communities thrived along its shores, leaving behind a rich tapestry of history and culture. Today, Great Slave Lake is a haven for anglers who come from far and wide to cast their lines in its waters, hoping to reel in a trophy catch. The lake is renowned for its abundant fish populations, including northern pike, lake trout and Arctic grayling, which are just a few of the species that call this lake home. The diversity of aquatic life here is truly remarkable, but Great Slave Lake is more than just a fishing destination. It's a place of profound beauty, where the sky meets the water in an endless horizon. The tranquil waters and serene landscapes offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. And as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink and purple, it's easy to see why this lake has captivated the hearts of so many. Whether you're here for the fishing, the history, or simply the breathtaking views, Great Slave Lake offers something for everyone. As darkness descends upon the Northwest Territories, a magical transformation takes place in the night sky. The aurora borealis, also known as the northern lights, illuminates the heavens with a breathtaking display of color and light. Imagine standing beneath a sky ablaze with vibrant hues of green, pink, purple and blue. The northern lights shimmer and dance, their ethereal glow reflecting off the snow-covered landscape. This celestial spectacle is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere. The Northwest Territories, located directly beneath the auroral oval, offers some of the best viewing opportunities in the world. From late August to early April, the nights are long and dark, providing ample opportunity to witness this natural wonder. Whether you're huddled around a campfire or gazing up at the sky from a cozy cabin, the Northern Lights are an experience that will stay with you long after you leave the Northwest Territories. The Northwest Territories is a land teeming with wildlife, where animals roam freely across vast expanses of wilderness. In the far north, on the shores of the Arctic Ocean, we might encounter the king of the Arctic, the polar bear. These majestic creatures, with their thick white fur and powerful paws, are perfectly adapted to life on the ice. Further inland, in the boreal forests and tundra, grizzly bears roam in search of food. These solitary creatures are a powerful reminder of the wild nature of this land. Wolves, their haunting howls echoing through the forests, are another iconic predator of the Northwest Territories. These highly intelligent animals play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. And in the skies above, a dazzling array of migratory birds, from tundra swans to Arctic terns, fill the air with their calls. For thousands of years, the Northwest Territories has been home to indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with the land and its resources. The Dene, Inuit and Métis peoples have each developed unique cultures and traditions shaped by their relationship with this vast and challenging environment. The Dene, known for their hunting and trapping skills, have long relied on the caribou for their sustenance and livelihood. The Inuit, masters of survival in the Arctic, have developed ingenious techniques for hunting marine mammals and navigating the icy waters. And the Métis, with their unique blend of indigenous and European heritage, have played a vital role in the fur trade and the development of the Northwest Territories. Today, indigenous communities continue to thrive in the Northwest Territories, their traditions passed down through generations. The Northwest Territories experiences a subarctic climate characterized by long, cold winters and short, cool summers. Winter in the Northwest Territories is a time of frozen landscapes, with temperatures often plunging below -40 degrees Celsius. But despite the harsh conditions, winter is also a time of great beauty, when the northern lights dance across the sky and the air is crisp and clear. Summer, though short, brings a burst of life to the territory. The days are long, with sunshine lasting up to 24 hours in some regions. Temperatures can reach a balmy 20 degrees Celsius, making it the perfect time to explore the great outdoors. Whether you're seeking adventure, solitude, or simply a chance to connect with nature, the Northwest Territories has something to offer every visitor. Just remember to pack for all types of weather, as conditions can change quickly in this vast and unpredictable land. The Northwest Territories is a truly remarkable and wild destination, offering adventure, natural beauty, and a unique opportunity to experience the wonders of Canada's north. From its towering mountains and pristine lakes to its vast forests and icy tundra, this is a land that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression on your soul. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Northwest Territories. We hope that you've been inspired to experience the magic of this incredible region for yourself.